today is more apropos than maybe yesterday's was. So today we talked about multiplication and division word problems. Actually, just mostly multiplication. You solve multiplication by division. Let me just give you the little thing here. Multiplication. Multiplication. Slash division. We actually did this last year. I think I remember talking about it. And here's what a multiplication problem usually looks like. When you talk about word problems, usually it goes with this: the number of groups. Remember this? Times the number in each group is going to equal the total. Number of groups times the number in each group is going to give you the total. So here is our, for example, for instance, sort of problem. Write this down. In the room, the chairs were arranged in rows with 15 chairs in a row. Let's simplify that and just say, there were 15 chairs in a row, or in each row, I guess. Is that so? 15 chairs in each row. If there were 360 chairs, how many rows were there? Now again, I know you probably can come up with what you're supposed to do there, but I want you to kind of think about this. You'll notice that there are no words groups in here, so you have to kind of think about what word in this little problem here is used instead of the word group. So you want to look for the nouns. See how this all goes back to English? If we're looking for nouns, it looks like we've got really two basic ones. We've either got chairs being a group of something or rows being a group of something. Taking away, I guess, the pronouns or whatever those things are. Is a chair a group of something, or is a row a group of something?
A
row is a group of chairs. So, instead of saying number of groups, you would say number of rows. The number of rows times the number in each row will give you the total. So, what do or don't we know here? Do we know how many rows we have?
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's the question to ask. How many rows are there? We don't know that, so we just put the letter R or whatever for N. Do we know how many chairs are in a row? 15, right? And do we know how many total we have? 360. So there's the little equation that the book will want you to think about. They'll ask you to write an equation, and that's what your equation would look like because it fills this boxes of this pattern there. Now, how do you solve this? This is not a multiplication. You don't multiply to solve this. You actually have to divide. Anytime you don't know one of these two things, you'll always divide. And I would very much like to see you divide, well, yeah, by doing this. Divide by 15, divide by 15. And 360 divided by 15 is 24. And what is the letter N? 24 is how many chairs in a row? All right, now how many rows there are? 24 rows. Yes? No? Good? Bad deal. Wasn't that exciting? Shall we do one more? I don't think this is really that difficult. And I don't want you to overthink it because it's really not that hard. look at, I tell you what, open your books, page 28, would you please, for me? Page 28. And I want you to look at letter B. Practice set letter B. They want you to say which of those four equations, A, B, C, or D, would answer the question that they're asking you there, which says, 4 student tickets to the amusement park cost $95. The cost of each ticket can be found by solving which of these equations? 4 divided by $95, 4 times $95, t over 4 equals $95, or 4 times t equals $95. To which, slow down before you answer, let's think about this in terms of what I just said. Remember, what was it, number of groups times the number in each group equals total, right? Am I right or am I right there? I'm right there, right? Now, in that problem there, this is not quite as obvious. What is the word that's used instead of groups? And what are the nouns in the problem? Looks like the nouns would be, we've got tickets, and I suppose we've got cost, dollars, I guess it would be if you put $95 there. Which is a group of something? Is a ticket a group of something, or is a dollar a group of something? This is gonna confuse and amaze your friends in the end of this. Elijah? Is a group of what? Alright, let's change it to saying, let's change the word dollar to cents. Because instead of making it $95, just make it 9,500 cents. Is the word cent a group of something? Money is not a group of something. Kate, a ticket is a group of what? Think about this, and this we have to make a little abstract connection here. Ticket is a group of cents. You have to pay money for a ticket, so a ticket really is a group of money. Each ticket costs that group of money thing. You know, if you pay $5 for a ticket to get into a basketball game, every ticket is worth a group of whatever that. So, here we go. Instead of groups, it is ticket. It is ticket. Do I know how many tickets I have? How many tickets, Jaden? 4 tickets. And since a ticket is a group of money, do I know how much money for every ticket it is? Nope, so I can put my little variable there. Do I know how much total money I have? How much? $95. Now, does that fit any of those equations? Is it there? Danny Baumgartner? Actually, they didn't put the letter T here. Any of those A, B, C, or D fall into this category? What's that? He says negative. Price? Letter D, yeah, where it says 4t equals $95. That actually is the equation. They didn't solve it. 4 times t is the same as 14 together. Again, all in the 7th grade life there, kids. I think that's enough of that. I'm done talking.